Students are familiar with the images of the refugee crisis. They have been all over the news. But what does it actually feel like to be surrounded by a new culture with strange rituals and rules? Only those students who came to Germany as refugees themselves know what that feels like. Is it possible for us as students to work towards the goal of integration? What kind of problems could they encounter? To answer these questions, students interviewed refugees with their tablets.
What are the meaning of the signs on the road?
How did the return bottles work?
The videos, directed by the students, serve as a basic raw material. On this basis, the following primary learning objectives were established. Through the use of tablets, the constraints of a classroom environment can be left behind. Task, tool and setting are very high in authenticity, simply because the exercise is directly based in the students' lives and matches their real-life actions. It is necessary for the students to incorporate collaboration and data sharing skills. To solve the task, the students need to make use of constant context sharing. This task scores high on personalization since the students come up with their own individual task and solution process and should decide on suitable applications on their own as well. After the introduction, groups of students create a mind map with the most important contents of their chosen topic. The students work collaboratively with the use of their tablets and share their data. This meets a medium conversational value. All data, images, movies and information is stored in a cloud and made available to all group members. The group can access and edit all data at the same time. This facilitates context sharing. Through the use of the app Bayboard, by using the Think, Pair, Share method, the group's plans are communicated to and coordinated with the rest of the class. This cooperative learning method was developed by Frank Lyman of the University of Maryland. Collaboration is also important during data assessment at school. However, this exercise scores very high on authenticity. Not only do the students interact with the learning objects in a situated manner, but the students are also enabled to decide themselves over the right task and procedure as well as the tools. This also adds to the aspect of personalization. The students are completely free in choosing their preferred approach, as well as in the realization of their data and ideas. It is completely up to the students to decide on their contents. All creations are fully customized and tailored. A selection of the educational products that are available free of cost in the refugees integration classes will be presented now. Group 1 decided to explain Germany's rather difficult recycling system, where you first pay a deposit on recyclables that you then get back once you return the items.
Bottle with the bottom first into the automate. Then you press on the button and get a paper. With this paper you go to the store and get 25 cents for one bottle. Well done. Glass bottles you have to return here. You won't get money for them.
Group 2 deals with emergency phone numbers and how you can help people who are in dangerous situations.
If there's a fire, you call the 112 and the fire department will help you.
Group 3 also decided to work on the topic of waste management and presents an example of how the people in the Karlsruhe area have to separate their trash.
Some clear paper trash, like old school notebooks or letters, you have to throw it into the trash can with the blue cover.
Other videos deal with topics like money and finance systems in Europe, fashion, or how newly arriving refugees have to imagine German schools.